Hello guys, good morning, and today's video I'm gonna take you around in Global Village. So we have gone actually last Saturday to Global Village with friends who just came from India. So they came here in Dubai for work, for business meeting, and then at the same time it's pleasure since they are here in Dubai, so they want just to um, sightseeing. So so actually we have taken them to Global Village in the evening Saturday, and they did a little shopping, some spices, Indian spices, because they said Dubai is much more better quality than the other country, like an export quality. But anyway, all these spices is coming from India, but since it is an export, so it's always be in a high quality. So anyway, this is Isabella. She's having a slushy cup drink. It was so cold, by the way, and so sweet. So anyway, so we just turn around taking some pictures. So it was um, nice weather as well. So that was Ronald. So this guy is so amazing. He does a very good portrait with this little boy. So I wanted to do for Bella as well, but oh my god, it is quite expensive. So I said, never mind. So now, actually on weekend, as far as I know, they always have this cage show. Okay, so it will run for 30 minutes. So every 13 minutes, they always have some cage show. This is for children's show. And Isabella is the one who are wearing a bonnet or a hat. So these are all the kids. My bird is making so much noise. I don't know why. They just want to actually to be freely outside. You don't want to be in the cage. And now I think that's the end. And now this is the amazing ride. At the same time, it is a very scary one. See, they will just toss you around up and down, up and down. And people was really screaming a lot. As you can see, they're just tossing them around up and down. That was a scary ride. I want to try, but I'm really scared. I'm scared of heights, so I just um, smashed that idea to go. I scratched that idea. But it was a very nice. See, you can see they put them on the top. But anyway, it was really a nice adventure in Global Village. This year, that was our first. For this year, last Saturday, that was our first time to visit Global Village. Even if we live nearby, we're not really going actually always. Just this year, only the last first time only, first and last. So that was the nice one. And that's it. They are done. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.